It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 10th of March. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures continue to cool today. Will be around 10 degrees below average. Further cooling expected tomorrow and Friday, along with increasing clouds and the chance at some rain coming in here. What about the weather for the weekend and next week? Well, we'll talk about all of that and everything else as we dive in and discuss. Yesterday in the valley, 80 degrees, the afternoon high, 59 was the morning low, the normal high 75, the normal low 52. And outside now, here just after 8 o'clock, we've got mostly sunny sky. We're sitting at 50 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 26, relative humidity 40%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning on the chilly side, a couple of degrees below where we should be for this time of year. 37, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 43 in Buckeye, mid-40s to low 50s through much of the metro. The upper air look this morning shows a ridge in the east and an area of low pressure just off the Pacific Northwest coast. That will be diving south and eastward over the next couple of days into the southwestern states, and that will be what brings us our chance at some precipitation. Here's the watch warning map, a number of red flag warnings and wind advisories out across the plain states. Combine those higher winds and dry conditions, and that will increase the risk of some wildfires there. We also have winter weather advisories over parts of Wyoming, Nebraska, South Dakota, and Minnesota. The convective outlook for today. How about a slight risk of severe storms around Kansas City as well as Minneapolis-St. Paul, with a marginal risk over a section of the Corn Belt there. Also a risk at some thunder along the Pacific coast and even out over portions of the Mojave Desert, including sections of northwest Arizona. And that is mainly for this afternoon, tonight, and into tomorrow. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix around or maybe just over a tenth of an inch. Somewhat heavier totals up north. The numbers continue to creep up just a little bit as confidence is increasing that we could see at least a little bit of rain out of this system coming in here tomorrow night and Friday. And we'll detail that now as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low just to the northwest of San Francisco this afternoon, continuing to trek to the south and east, a broad southwesterly flow out ahead of it. So for us down at the surface today, mostly sunny, a light breeze this afternoon. High temperatures a bit cooler though, mid and upper 60s. Keep in mind, we should be in the mid 70s this time of year. There could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm over far northwest Arizona, but that's about it. Tonight, the sky is mostly clear to partly cloudy, overnight lows in the 40s, and then tomorrow we'll see an increase in clouds as our system gets closer to us, moisture picking up, and there is a small chance we could even see a shower here in the valley by the afternoon hours. High temperatures will continue to cool off. We'll be in the low to middle 60s, and it will be breezy. As we go to Thursday night and Friday, the GFS has actually been slowing down the progression of this system just a little bit, and enough so to where the main low probably doesn't come across Arizona till later on Friday. So the moisture will be with us. We'll see mostly cloudy sky, a chance of showers Thursday night, and a decent chance at rain on Friday, about a 50% chance. And this is not going to be a washout, as we've been mentioning, but off and on, hit or miss kind of showers. Most of them will be light. You might catch a moderate shower someplace. I don't think there's going to be any thunder with this. If there is, it would be very isolated in nature. But just do keep in mind, I don't think it's enough to quite cancel outdoor activities, but these hit or miss showers will be there. And it will be cooler too and breezy with high temperatures only in the upper 50s and low 60s. So again, we'll be at least 15 degrees below average for the high on Friday. Now by Saturday, that starts to push east, although again, with the slower progression of this, there could still be some isolated showers around here Saturday morning, a partly sunny sky for the day on Saturday. High temperatures still on the cool side, only in the low to middle 60s. On Sunday, that begins to move out of here. High temperatures recovering a bit back toward the upper 60s to near 70. And then as we go to Monday, forecast confidence goes down just a little bit. The models continue to seesaw as to a follow-up system that comes in here. This run of the GFS actually has it a little bit cooler, a little deeper, coming across northern Arizona, giving a decent chance of rain up that way, an outside chance we could see a shower here in Phoenix. For now, in our forecast, we're just going to go with partly sunny sky for both Monday and Tuesday, and high temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. And yes, it will be breezy, maybe even locally windy at times. All right, here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 17th of March, St. Patrick's Day. We still have troughing here over the western states, some negative height anomalies in Arizona. Temperatures might be just ever so slightly below average, although the prospects of precipitation don't look to be there in this configuration. And then as we go out 10 days, this is Friday the 19th, still have troughing over much of the west. And again, temperatures very slightly below average, maybe some light breezes around, but it doesn't look like there'd be any significant chance at precipitation. And speaking of, let's take a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area. This is coming off of the GFS ensemble over the next couple of weeks. We've got 31 members in this ensemble, 29 of which are showing measurable rain for us. Most of that coming in the period from Thursday night through Saturday. But again, the ensemble mean is under 1/4 of an inch. So as we've been talking about this entire time, not a significant precipitation event, but we'll take whatever we can get because the dry season is just around the corner. Rain becomes much harder to come by once we get into April and beyond, at least until we get to the monsoon. And temperatures off the national blend of models, cooler for the rest of the week. It's got a high of 62 in here on Friday, and I have a feeling we could be even cooler than that. Next week is still a little bit of a question mark. The NBM definitely warms us up, but I would be a little bit skeptical as to how much we will warm up, given the presence of troughing around. Certainly temperatures will get closer to average, though. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an amazing Wednesday.